This faceless YouTube channel Tropia, devoted to global travel and the exploration of captivating destinations, has displayed a remarkable range in earnings, as per Social Blade, fluctuating between $850 and $133,000. Despite this financial success, the channel's upload frequency, averaging only 1 to 2 videos per month, falls short of expectations and may be impeding its potential for even greater profitability. Notably, Tropia's most popular videos, boasting 22.9 and 8.9 million views respectively, exhibit a commendable CPM, cost per mil, of $14 per 1,000 views, indicative of its strong performance and captivating audience interest. Moreover, it stands to reason that longer videos, such as those featured on Tropia, have the potential to yield even higher CPM rates, given their extended duration and consequently increased ad revenue potential. In this instructional video, I will provide a comprehensive guide on establishing your own faceless YouTube channel, encompassing crucial aspects such as channel naming, logo and banner creation, scripting, voiceover production, sourcing copyright-free videos, and proficient video editing techniques, all achieved through the utilization of freely available tools and resources. Addressing a common query among viewers regarding the viability of monetizing channels with AI-generated voiceovers, I can affirm that such an approach is entirely feasible and can yield favorable results. Commencing with the foundational step of channel naming and description, the assistance of ChatGPT proves invaluable in generating innovative and appealing name suggestions. Following multiple iterations, Voyage Ventures emerges as the chosen channel appellation, resonating with the theme of exploration and adventure. Leveraging Leonardo AI for logo creation, a minimalist design approach is adopted, ensuring clarity and visual appeal. Despite the partial cost associated with Canva, its array of free features facilitates the creation of an aesthetically pleasing banner, selected from customizable templates and tailored to align with the channel's branding objectives. Scripting, a pivotal aspect of content creation, is streamlined through ChatGPT's capability to generate tailored content based on specified directives, expediting the process while maintaining quality and coherence. Subsequently, the incorporation of a voiceover, rendered using 11 Labs and featuring a female voice, enhances the video's narrative and engagement potential. Video sourcing from reputable platforms such as Pixels ensures the acquisition of high-quality, copyright-free footage, while Pixabay serves as a reliable source for royalty-free music to complement the visual content. To achieve a polished final product, CapCut emerges as the preferred choice for video editing, offering versatile editing capabilities and intuitive interface navigation. Optimization for the voiceover entails adjustments to video size and background music volume, ensuring optimal clarity and emphasis on the spoken content. Additionally, the integration of text auto captions, facilitated by CapCut's automated feature, enhances accessibility and viewer engagement, with customizable text templates further refining the visual presentation. Incorporating transitions and effects, while optional, can elevate the overall aesthetic appeal and narrative flow of the video, with a preference for subtlety to maintain a professional demeanor. Following meticulous review and refinement iterations, the finalized video is primed for publication, poised to captivate audiences with its compelling content and polished presentation. Encouraging viewer interaction through subscription and engagement prompts, the video aims to foster a vibrant community of enthusiasts and adventurers eager for further exploration and discovery. In conclusion, the journey of establishing and nurturing a successful YouTube channel demands careful planning, creative ingenuity, and meticulous execution of content creation and presentation strategies. By harnessing the power of innovative tools and resources, coupled with a steadfast commitment to quality and authenticity, aspiring content creators can unlock boundless opportunities for growth and impact in the dynamic realm of digital media.